Hello everyone, it's PTG on the mic. So here's the bass line I brought you today. So for 4 strings we'll play the way I was playing now. For 5 strings now, you can hear it's thick. Okay, I'm gonna show you now how to play it on a 4-string bass, and I'm also gonna demonstrate a bit on just using our root notes as a map, to add notes to guide us. So from these root notes we now search for the lower, the lower registration of the same note we're playing, the octave. Now let's play them together. By doing so, it kind of gives a bounce to our bass line, to give it a full flow. Okay, so as usual, now let me show you slowly. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope this video kind of opened a few doors for you.